The Rijksmuseum is the Netherlands' national museum, located in Amsterdam. It's dedicated to Dutch art and history, showcasing a vast collection of over 8,000 works of art spanning centuries. The museum is situated on Museumplein, in the heart of Amsterdam, surrounded by other cultural attractions like the Van Gogh Museum, Stedelijk Museum Amsterdam, and the Concertgebouw. The Rijksmuseum boasts an impressive collection of Dutch Golden Age paintings, featuring masterpieces by renowned artists like Rembrandt, Vermeer, and Frans Hals. Visitors can also explore exhibits on Dutch history, decorative arts, and Asian art. Currently, the museum is hosting a special exhibition dedicated to Frans Hals, showcasing the renowned portrait painter's life and work. Here are some interesting facts about the Rijksmuseum. It was founded in 1798, making it one of the oldest museums in the Netherlands. The museum building itself is a piece of art, designed in a neo-Renaissance style by architect Pierre Cuypers. The Rijksmuseum underwent a major renovation project between 2008 and 2013, which doubled its exhibition space. The museum offers a variety of educational programs and events for visitors of all ages. If you're planning a trip to Amsterdam, the Rijksmuseum is definitely worth a visit. With its extensive collection of art and history, it's a great place to learn about Dutch culture and see some of the world's most famous paintings. Bloemenmarkt in Amsterdam. The Bloemenmarkt is the world's only floating flower market, located on the Single Canal in Amsterdam. It has been in existence since 1862, and is a popular tourist destination. The market is made up of a series of houseboats that sell flowers, bulbs, seeds, and souvenirs. Visitors can find a wide variety of flowers at the Bloemenmarkt, including tulips, roses, lilies, and orchids. The market is also a great place to buy souvenirs, such as wooden shoes, Delftware, and cheese. The Bloemenmarkt is open from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., 7 days a week. Here are some additional tips for visiting the Bloemenmarkt. The best time to visit the Bloemenmarkt is in the morning, when the crowds are smaller. Be sure to bargain with the vendors, as they are usually willing to negotiate on price. If you are buying flowers, be sure to ask the vendor how to care for them. The Bloemenmarkt is a great place to take photos, so be sure to bring your camera. I hope this helps. Holland, or more accurately, the Netherlands, is renowned for its wide variety of delicious cheeses, each with its own unique flavor and characteristics. Here are some of the most famous and delectable Dutch cheeses you should try. Gouda. Undoubtedly the most well-known Dutch cheese, Gouda is a semi-hard cow's milk cheese that comes in various ages, ranging from young and mild to aged and sharp. Younger Goudas have a creamy and buttery taste, while aged Goudas develop a more complex and nutty flavor. Gouda is traditionally coated in yellow wax, but can also be found coated in black wax or no wax at all. Edam, another iconic Dutch cheese. Edam is known for its distinctive red wax coating and spherical shape. It's a semi-hard cheese made from cow's milk and has a milder flavor compared to Gouda. Edam can also be found in brick form, but the round shape coated in red wax is the most recognizable. Maasdam. This cheese is known for its large, irregular holes created by carbon dioxide released during the aging process. Maasdam is a semi-hard cheese with a sweet and nutty flavor, and a slightly crumbly texture. It's a great cheese for enjoying on its own or pairing with fruit and bread. Leerdammer. This cheese is characterized by its pale yellow color and a slightly sweet and nutty flavor. Leerdammer is a semi-hard cheese with a creamy texture and a pleasant aroma. It's a versatile cheese that can be enjoyed on its own, melted in sandwiches, or grated over salads. Boerenkaas. This cheese translates to farmhouse cheese and is made from raw, unpasteurized milk. Boerenkaas has a unique and complex flavor that can vary depending on the specific region and cheesemaker. It's a full-flavored cheese that is best enjoyed by cheese connoisseurs. These are just a few of the many delicious cheeses produced in the Netherlands. With its rich cheese-making history and diverse offerings, Holland is a paradise for cheese lovers. So, next time you're looking for a new cheese to try, be sure to explore the wonderful world of Dutch cheeses. The Koninklijk Paleis Amsterdam, or Royal Palace of Amsterdam, is a magnificent 17th-century palace located in the heart of Amsterdam, the Netherlands. The palace is one of the 3 official residences of the Dutch royal family and is used for a variety of royal events, including receptions, dinners, and award ceremonies. The palace was originally built as a town hall for the city of Amsterdam between 1648 and 1665. However, in 1808, it was converted into a royal palace by King Louis Napoleon, brother of Emperor Napoleon Bonaparte. The palace was extensively renovated in the 19th century and again in the early 20th century. The Koninklijk Paleis Amsterdam is a beautiful example of Dutch Golden Age architecture. The palace has a grand exterior with a classical facade and a richly decorated interior. The palace features a number of impressive rooms, including the Hall of Mirrors, the throne room, and the ballroom. The palace is open to the public for tours and is a popular tourist attraction. Visitors can explore the palace's many rooms and learn about its history. The palace also houses a number of important works of art, including paintings by Rembrandt and Vermeer. Here are some interesting facts about the Koninklijk Paleis Amsterdam. The palace is located on Dam Square, one of the most famous squares in Amsterdam. The palace has 136 rooms, including 20 staterooms. The palace is decorated with a variety of paintings, sculptures, and other works of art. The palace is the site of the annual Prinsjesdag ceremony, which marks the opening of the Dutch parliamentary year. If you're planning a trip to Amsterdam, the Koninklijk Paleis Amsterdam is definitely worth a visit. It's a beautiful and historic palace that offers a fascinating glimpse into the world of Dutch royalty.